Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl ondafiv. So in today's video I'll be showing you 7 simple and easy ways that you can tie your hair using your head wrap. I always do this when my hair is unkempt, it's very shabby. I'm tired, I'm very busy that I can't take care of my hair or carry my natural hair the way I normally do. So I just go ahead and tie my hair using my hair wrap. Others call it head scarf, head tie, hijab, and there are others called gilly. You can always tie your hair, cover your hair when you feel very busy and you don't want to put on your wig. If your hair is not good, in good condition, you don't want to put on your wig, you can just tie your hair wrap. You can put on any dress, use it to go anywhere, you don't have a problem. On my channel I share a lot of videos on how I style my hair, ways and methods in which I use in growing my natural hair. That is it. If you are on my channel and you have relaxed hair and you think you want to go natural, then you can equally use the same thing. And if you want to remain relaxed, you can use the same things to keep your relaxed hair healthy. That is what I do on my channel. I share videos every Thursday. Do well to come back to check out the new videos I've uploaded on my channel.
ben nu fattar